Okay. Hi, I'm Daniel West, Deborah Ross's boyfriend. Just wanted to let y'all know that I snuck into her protein bar stash, so now I have to make a video about it. I was trying to find something nice to eat, but I did find something nice to eat. But this Combat Crunch thing is pretty great. Like it doesn't taste like a protein bar. It has these little strawberry crunch pieces in here. It tastes like Captain Berry Crunch. That's what it tastes like. But it's also a protein bar.
Tell them how much protein is in it.
Oh, there is. Oh, by the way, this is what it kind of looks like. If you want to buy it.
Upside down.
Let's see. Here. It has 40 grams of protein.
Dang.
But I can eat these all day. They taste really great. Well, I'm done.